Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ramachandra, Jai Shri Lakshmi Nrsimha. So today I would like to sing a bhajan in my mother tongue, Sindhi. So this bhajan is Asanja Karaj Karan Prabhu Panayo. So Lord himself has come to do our work. So this has a deeper meaning, that is, so we are the instruments, we are not doing our work and Lord himself is doing it. So we say all the names like Brahma bhi ayova, Vishnu bhi ayova. Brahma also has come, Vishnu also we say Bholinath, that is Lord Shiva, and Rama, Lakshmana, Sherwali, that is Pahadawali, Mata, the goddess, Lakshmi, all of them. So let us begin. Asanja karaj karan Prabhu panayo. Asanja karaj karan Prabhu panayo. Prabhu panayo. Prabhu panayo. Prabhu panayo. Prabhu panayo. Asanja karaj karan Prabhu panayo. Asanja karaj karan Prabhu panayo. Brahma bhi aayo, Vishnu bhi aayo. Brahma bhi aayo, Vishnu bhi aayo. Ho ho ho. भंडारा भरण भोलेनाथ आयो, बम बम भोले आयो. असांझा करज करण प्रभु पाणायो. असांझा कारज करण प्रभु पाणायो. प्रभु पाणायो. प्रभु पाणायो. प्रभु पाणायो. प्रभु पाणायो. असांझा कारज करण प्रभु पाणायो. असांझा